Had some people calling yesterday about the bright star out in the southwest Gulf of Mexico.
Maybe it was a UFO or
Yeah, well, some
something.
people are
That's what they
thinking that,
thought.
yeah,
I'm not
sometimes,
saying
but we had
it.
to straighten it out. It's Venus, and it's been very visible as of late, and it still will be so. Tomorrow, skies will be clear, hopefully. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse of what was happening as the sun was setting. And the sun, not much clouds around. The drier air really around, and I stopped it right there. You see the left-hand side of your screen right there by the official Suncoast weather graphic. It's coming down. Well, the Earth is moving away, and then the camera was moved a little bit, so it's going to appear on your right side now. You'll see it coming down. There it is, and there it goes, just after around 8:30. Kind of interesting to see that. And we are looking at fair skies right now up and down the coast, and that's a direct result of dry air and high pressure still around. And it looks like we will see maybe a little increase in cloudiness beginning tomorrow, late afternoon and evening as a result of that front coming down. But notice these showers are moving basically now down to the north. And we are looking at not much rain going on here. Things are fairly calm. The winds are very light out of the north and northeast. And out of the Anna Maria, a little bit breezier there, 14 miles an hour. Excuse me. You can see winds out of the northeast from Northport, Warm Mineral Springs, Venice, Minnesota, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour. Not very heavy at this time. Clear skies, 76 degrees. Although the temperature is warm, it feels nice out there with a lower dew point at 63 degrees. Northeast winds are light at 3, and the pressure actually has been rising this evening very slowly. High today was 88 degrees. One more day of temperatures above this number, and then we'll drop below it for at least 4 days, it looks like. And we'll get back up to a quick back above average or near average, looks like, by midweek next week. Today, no rainfall report. And typically when fronts move through, we expect a lot of rainfall, but not this time. With all the dry air in place, things are going to be rather quiet. Just an increase in clouds, maybe a few spotty showers tomorrow late evening, and should not cause any problems with high school football action tomorrow night. Gulf of Mexico temperature now at the end of the Venice Pier, 79 degrees. 68 in Lake Placid and Sebring at 69 degrees. Forecast tomorrow, sunshine, plenty of it. Just a few clouds now and again, and temperatures warming into the upper 80s inland, and look for mid-80s right near the beaches. And we are anticipating a little chance of rain. You can see that front quite clearly moving through parts of Louisiana all the way out into the Gulf of Mexico now. And it will continue to push to the southeast throughout the day tomorrow, eventually sweeping through. So it's not going to get hung up to the north of us. It will make it through. And as far as this system making it, it doesn't have as much of a chance as it did yesterday at this time. There's a broad area of low pressure right here, and it looks like the timing of this is everything. The front will move down, carry it to the north, and the winds will be strong enough to keep it from growing into a strong system. Nonetheless, as it pushes off toward the north, you can see from this forecast model, here comes the front and kind of catches it and pushes it off away from the United States. Cooler air moves in on the high pressure ridge behind it, clears our skies out for Saturday for the big Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk, which will be taking place at the Polo Grounds on Saturday morning. A lot of teams will be there. We'll be there as well. 43 degrees right now. That's the cooler air in Minneapolis. 47 in Kansas City. 57 in Cleveland. And as far as boaters are concerned, one day of good weather, and then things will change tomorrow. I should say on Saturday, and we'll see possibility of small craft advisories. Low tide at 12:37. The forecast looks like this. Tonight, mostly fair, mild, 69 for a low. Tomorrow, 87, another warm day, breezy conditions, and the extended forecast is calling for temperatures to be into the upper 70s.